ġejna ma'kom ġejna biex nistaqsukom bħalissa qiegħda tinbidel brata maġra ħafna wkoll nafu l-Istati Uniti tela Trump reġa' bil-karattru partikolari tiegħu kollu u Trump fost il-ħafna affarijiet li qed isemmi waħda minnhom hija li jixtieq joħroġ mid-WHO. X'impatt ħajkollha fuq id-dinja? X'taħsbu intkom? U vera li qed jgħid li fi żmien kien hawn ċertu affarijiet li ma kinux qegħdin sew, x'taħsbu? Għaddu kif jitla Trump fil-gvern u qiegħed jattakka l-irħu u qiegħed jgħid li jisma' ma jixtieqx nibqa' fil-World Health Organization minħabba li saret ħafna mismanagement waqt il-pandemija u l-affarijiet ma sarux kif suppost u għal daqstant l-Istati Uniti ħatoħroġ minn ġewwa l-World Health Organization. Taħseb li huwa vera li kien hemm mismanagement forsi anke fuq livell lokali?
I mean ifhem jiena x'beda jaħseb u ma nafx, speċi u President u tela raġuni. Issa mhux ħanajt għax naqbel miegħu jew le għax ma tantx nafu għall-każ. Però jekk hu President u ddeċida li jagħmel pass, issa jara kif il-poplu jimxi b'dak il-pass u mbagħad jekk jara li ħad deċiżjoni ħażina mhux isib mod fejn jerġa' iġib kollox all-right. Speċi.
U inti taħseb li huwa vera li kien hemm mismanagement taf xi ħadd forsi li sofra waqt il-pandemija Malta?
Ifhem jien naf storja li xi ħadd qabdu l-kanser wara li ħal issa ħafna qed jgħidu li minħabba sa jekkux vera jew le maħniex 100% sure imma naħseb jiena bħal storja bħal tiegħu tiġri ħafna nies.
Nirringrazzjawk, grazzi ħafna. We are asking a number of questions to people about the fact that at the moment Trump decided to opt out of the WHO, the World Health Organization, because he is stating that it was very much influenced from China and basically that the WHO has its own personal interests and that the state is paying way too much. And of course this is going to have a lot of impact. Now, do you think this is going to affect other countries worldwide, and how do you think that will go? Especially in terms that Trump is accusing WHO that it mismanaged a lot the procedures during the 19 pandemic.
Okay. Well, I don't. I'm not as well informed on the WHO as I would like to be at this point in this interview. But my first question would be, how would that impact their services availability around the world? Because as I understand, they provide aid, medical aid to other countries. And I know the U.S. was sharing a large part of the burden of cost. So I would be curious to know how that impacts the availability of those services. As far as management, I'm not in a position to judge them because I just don't have enough information. And I don't know about how China is influencing them, but we were in China during and it was handled very well there. They were very cautious about which to use and making sure that everyone was well informed. But I don't have enough information to say whether or not the WHO is mismanaged. My biggest concern would be how those services would be impacted for other countries, third world countries, and other people in need, and who would pick up the slack or pick up that burden if the U.S. pulls out of that.
Do you think that in the West there was some kind of mismanagement or misuse of the way things were rolling here? Some cases about this or personal people which have suffered through that?
Like I said before, we weren't in the U.S. during the so we were watching what our friends and family were going through. And personally, I had some family members and some friends that had some health issues after they got. But whether it's directly caused by that, I'm not sure. But I do feel like, just from what we were seeing on the news overseas, it seemed like some of the information was rushed, and that people were not as well informed in some areas as they could have been.
Thank you very much, Ted.
No problem. Good luck with your interviews. Yeah.
Ejwa naħseb ta' l-ewwel nett kif smajna daħareġ miċ-Ċajna kienu ħafna esportazzjonijiet miċ-Ċajna, ġifieri da il-mikrobu ġi mal-affarijiet importati mill-Ewropa u minn hemmhekk infirxet il-biċċa tax-xogħol. Ġifieri jien naħseb iva. Għandu raġun Trump, iva, għandu raġun. Ġifieri il-ħu ma ħadiċ passi mill-ewwel biex titrażżan il-marda, biex titrażżan dan il-virus.
U fej jidħu għal-program, per eżempju, kwarantina u anka fuq livell lokali, tħoss li forsi kien hemm xi żbalji li saru?
Ifhem. Jew Malta kull mirrid u kulħadd ħadu. Issa, fl-Amerika ma nafx, però l-Amerika fi żmien Trump ħallihom liberi anke rridu joqogħdu bla face mask u hekk. Is-sitwazzjoni fl-Amerika ma kinitx għar minn ta' pajjiżi oħra, anzi, pjuttost baqgħu għaddejjin normali u ma ġaralhom xejn. Irri naħseb jiena f'ċertu pajjiżi kienu iżejjed restrizzjonijiet. U li kieku il-ħu ħadet il-passi disciplinari minn qabel u ċertu passi biex jitrażżana ma kienx ikun hawn da l-affarijiet kollha. Irri naħseb jien Trump all the way għandu raġun.